Make a survival knife. In this day and age, being able to make a survival knife is an odd skill to have at best. Unless you truly do live in the wilderness and need to hunt in order to survive, a survival knife is not something the modern man needs, much less knowledge on how to make one. But that does not mean it is wise to dismiss knowing, even if it is something as seemingly strange as learning how to make a survival knife. Even if this is the new age, you should never underestimate life's uncanny ability to change the world around you. You could be enjoying a wonderful cruise at one point, and the next you could find yourself the survivor of a shipwreck, in an island teeming with danger and isolation. To be frank, this is a highly unlikely situation, but there is still a chance of it happening, and it is only wise to be prepared. This article deals with the creation of a survival knife from materials found in the wild. You can always purchase a high-quality survival knife of your own from a hardware store or your local hunting goods store, but again there can be the off chance that you can misplace the knife and not have it on you when you most need it. Survival knives are so named for that purpose, to help you survive, which is why learning how to make it in the wild is a valuable skill for anybody, even those who spend their lives working at the office. In this article you will find some steps to making a survival knife, the main differences being the locations. This would not be very useful if you could only find the materials in one place after all. So if you are interested, keep reading. Make a survival knife while stuck in a desert. Of course, this is easier said than done, but it is very possible. Simply find yourself a large rock, about the size of your fist, preferable already shaped a little like a knife, and another, smaller rock, but still heavy enough. All you have to do is smash the smaller rock against the edge of the larger rock, until one side is properly sharp. It may seem easy, but this can be a long process. Make a survival knife while stuck in the forest. If this is a bamboo forest, then your job will be much easier. Get yourself a stalk and break it into pieces. Then grab the sharpest and largest piece and sharpen it further by rubbing it against a stone. If you are not in a bamboo forest, then you will need to break off a branch from a tree, and fashion a knife from it, again, using a stone to sharpen it. Make a survival knife while stuck on an island. This applies with the forest as well, but you can also search for a large, hard shell or perhaps a conch. Once you have found one, you can again smash it into pieces, and fashion knives out of the largest piece. At first, This type of skill may seem like it might not be useful, but it can be the only difference between life and death in certain situations, so it is always better to be safe than sorry.